You know what? I'm gonna go build some stairs. The stair hole is like your most important place because you got your main floor walls underneath your upper floor wall, and if they don't line up or they're not square, then everything's a disaster. So you really got to take some good care on that. Just throw it down like that, eh?
Yeah.
Except we gotta make sure this end's square first. Which it's not. Put you to work here.
This one?
Yeah.
There you go.
Same.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is 7/8 dead. Well, you should be able to understand because
This is a really good way to treat your square. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be built out of galvanized nails. That's all we have left on site.
that's where our
Good, now I gotta sheet the floor. So I gotta figure out what I need here. Get my Flintstone notepad ready. $50 and 7/8. By 5/8. Okay, that's no problem.
Hey, so we got
Keep going. Doing good work.
go home.
You're doing great. Still have my dope. Found it! Okay, where's the Flintstone notepad? So this groove needs to be 3 and 7/8. It's kind of a shame that we've got to cut almost a full sheet for this, but it's the only piece of groove left on the site. We've been that efficient. Left-handed saws, eh? It's terrible.
Where's that glue gun, Joe?
I hope. That's how you cut the glue gun right there. You alright, Hyro? Don't get this glue on you.
Oh.
It is sticky.
Are you starting a handyman channel on YouTube? I love those channels.
That's why it wasn't working.
I was wondering.
What's it, 128?
we got 49 3/4. This one is 49 3/4. I figured it's exactly square.
You got the glue over there?
Yeah, you can have it. Don't let it slop on you.
Thank you, ma'am. Oh, big stretch.
God, there's no nosings on this, so I gotta be careful.
No, that's the big one back there. So I'm gonna go on top of the wall.
How's that one? Oh, I only did one step. Problem is I got too much confidence. Hey Joe, you got the glue gun ready?
Yeah, it's down here.
This one?
Oh, yeah. No, not that one.
Not that one.
I'm just kidding. It is.
Oh. Special delivery.
Well, there's no glue in this gun.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks. Hey, Hyra, you want to grab me a tube? I'll cut it. Don't you even dare.
I was gonna cut it on
You
an
have
angle.
no idea how to do
I've
that.
done beads.
No. Never cut a man's tube of glue unless it's your own. There's it done. I'm out of here. My job's done for the day. 3 o'clock. 7 till 3. It is true though, my neck is sore.
Was that plugged into a hose?
And it could be because of that left-handed saw.
Okay, well, that's good. Then one of the
But
other hoses
30 years,
had
can't change the zebra stripes.
Is there anywhere I can't go?
Why, you wouldn't want to go in front of the camera. And don't fall down there.
Okay, I will not fall down there.
Maybe. Actually, what is it, Wednesday? I don't know either.
I just operate a camera. I don't know what I'm doing.
That's a good apple.